Under pressure from various quarters, BJP forced to withhold the membership of controversial chief of Sri Ram Sena, Pramod Muthalik, hours after he was admitted into the party with much fanfare. Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and other senior leaders had opposed Muthalik's entry. Fresh controversy arises in BJP as the party replaces Advani loyalist and sitting MP Harin Pathak with actor Paresh Rawal from the Ahmedabad East Lok Sabha seat. Disgruntled Pathak says BJP is giving tickets to those who are abusing the party.
जिनको कांग्रेस में निम्न स्तर का कार्यकर्ता माना जाता है, उनको यहाँ बुला करके पदोन्नत उसको पद दिया जाए, उससे कार्यकर्ता आहत है। मैं इस भावना से भी आहत हूं।
Jaswant Singh slams BJP will contest Lok Sabha elections as an independent from the Barmer seat and will file nomination papers on Monday. The BJP has denied ticket to Jaswant Singh, preferring sitting MP Colonel Sonaram Chaudhary instead. Differences erupt in BJP over distribution of party ticket after Shiv Sena, Sushma Swaraj too supports Jaswant Singh, expresses sadness over party's decision.
कोई रहा होगा, लेकिन मुझे स्वयं को व्यक्तिगत रूप से इस निर्णय से
Congress leader Girija Vyas files nomination papers from Chittorgarh Lok Sabha seat. Girija is also a sitting MP from the constituency. MDMK General Secretary Vaiko meets suspended DMK leader MK Alagiri in Tamil Nadu, seeks his support for the April 24th Lok Sabha polls. Samajwadi Party chief Mulayam Singh Yadav expresses confidence over Third Front, says Third Front will be formed after the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. CPM rejects Modi wave in the country, says Third Front capable of forming government at the centre. One more feather in BJP's cap. Vishnu Mohan, JDU MP from Supol, joins party. Congress leader Anand Sharma takes a dig at Aam Aadmi Party, says there is no AAP wave in the country and the party has derailed much before. Political campaign gets more intense as elections draw closer. Congress leader Kapil Sibal campaigns from Delhi's Chandni Chowk constituency. BJP leader Harshvardhan and Aam Aadmi Party leader Ashutosh are contesting against Sibal. Protests in Aam Aadmi Party over distribution of party tickets. Disgruntled party workers stage dharna for giving tickets to its leaders Ashutosh, Jarnail Singh, Rakhi Birla and Anand Kumar. Dwarka Peeth's Shankaracharya Swarupanand Saraswati raises objection over Har Har Modi slogan in favor of BJP PM nominee Narendra Modi, asks RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat to stop such idolation of an individual. BJP's PM candidate Narendra Modi shares stage with yoga guru Ramdev in Delhi's Ramlila Maidan, expresses concern for the state of the country, remembers Sardar Bhagat Singh and other martyrs on Martyrdom Day. He pledges to work for farmers.
क्या देश के गरीब से गरीब व्यक्ति के लिए इतना सपना हम नहीं दे सकते? किसान को उसके खेत में पानी मिले, क्या ये हम नहीं कर सकते?
BSP Supremo Mayawati addresses election rally in Bhubaneswar in Odisha, says her party will work for the progress of backward states.
जब केंद्र में हमारी पार्टी की सरकार बन जाती है तो पिछड़े हुए राज्यों की फिर उपेक्षा नहीं होगी, आपकी उड़ीसा की उपेक्षा नहीं होगी।